Hey guys, it's Amanda. We are here in Big Bear this weekend. We came up here for the Adventure Van Expo. We were there all day earlier today and we saw some amazing vans, some 4x4 vehicles, and awesome outdoor adventure gear. We're gonna go back tomorrow to just film and interview some of the people that were our favorites, and I'll make a separate video for that. But Anthony just found, I actually have no idea where we are. We're sort of in the middle of the forest in Big Bear, which is pretty cool. But Anthony found a place where you can just go dry camping. And luckily we have everything that we need. We have our kitchen, we have our bathroom, we have our water supply, we have our bed and food. I think I said that. But yeah, we have everything that we need, so we don't actually have to pay to stay at a campsite, which is very convenient. And we're just setting up camp right now, so follow along. For dinner, we've got some pasta, meatless meatballs, and a veggie mixture that we got. It was raining so hard about an hour ago. We were freaking out a little because we weren't completely set up, and water started coming through our tent, like full on, just like pouring through. Mattress was wet, bag was wet, sleeping bag wet. I mean, just a little corner, so it wasn't too bad, but we figured out how to close the hole. And yeah, now I'm just making dinner. Making dinner. And Daddy and G just went for a little hike.
I want to make my dinner.
You ready to eat dinner?
Yeah, I want to make it.
You want to make it?
Yeah.
You want to mix it up just a little bit?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's do that. Okay.
Yes, open it.
Okay, I'll open it.
Hey, I want to turn around. Hey, right here. Wow, awesome.
Eat it.
Morning. I just woke up a little bit ago. Well, actually I woke up a while ago. It's like 7 a.m. right now. I think I woke up at 5, like with the sunrise. But I just took my time getting ready. Anthony and G are still asleep in the truck. I slept alright last night. It was a little chilly. I think it was in the 40s, so I woke up with a frozen nose a couple of times. But anyway, I wanted to come up just to take some photos. It's so peaceful here. It's so beautiful. You can hear all the birds chirping and see all the little critters scurrying by. But yeah, it feels really nice to be here. I guess when they wake up, we'll probably just make some breakfast and then head back over to the expo to check out some of our favorites. All right. So we're all packed up now. Anthony just loaded the truck and we're on our way back to the expo, but we're gonna get lunch before we go. This was an amazing place to visit. I didn't even know they had dispersed camping available here in Big Bear, but if you have all the gear, I would highly recommend coming to camp here because it's beautiful. And there's literally no one around us. You can't see anybody else. There's some cars and cyclists that come by, but otherwise it's completely quiet. You can just hear the birds chirping and you can hear them like flying by, which is a crazy thing to hear. But yeah, we had a great time and we'll definitely be back here. So yeah, let us know if there's anywhere else in Big Bear that you know of that has dry camping, or anywhere in Southern California, because we're down. We're totally down for that. So hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.